the trickiest things with Irish prepositional pronouns is remembering which one to use when. Tá hata aige, tá hata éis. What's the difference? And which preposition is which? Take a few seconds to figure this one out. That's right. The first short sentence uses eg in the form of aige. A hat is at him, meaning he has a hat, he possesses one, he's got one. The second sentence uses éis. A hat is on him, meaning he's wearing a hat. We know these words, but when it comes to using them quickly in a sentence or spotting what's going on when someone's talking, especially talking fast, we might get stuck. If you don't know the prepositional pronouns formed from eg and éis, why not check out my videos on those two? Let's practice 10 example sentences together. See if you can get the prepositional pronouns right. And let me know your score out of 10 in the comments. And if you're up for more, another 5 will follow. A bit more complicated, just to put the icing on your Irish cake. All of the 10 examples use the structure tá plus noun plus prepositional pronoun. I'll start with a demonstration. Let's put this into Irish. I have a cold. Do we use eg or éis? Because it's I or me, we think of either agam or orm. That's right. Tá sláideán orm. Orm is of course from éis, and we remember, as the book Learning Irish says, that one's used when we are talking about an emotional or physical state, including disease or estimation. Let's get into it and see how we go. Number 1. I have sense. Tá ciall. Tá ciall agam. 2. I am sorry. Tá brón. Tá brón orm. Number 3. He hopes. Tá súil. Tá súil aige. Number 4. He is in a hurry. Tá deifir. Tá deifir éis. Number 5. You're thirsty. You are thirsty. Tá tart. Tá tart ort. Number 6. You are angry. Tá farg. Tá farg ort. Number 7. She is right. Tá ceart. Tá ceart aici, or aice depending on dialect. Number 8. She is hungry. Tá ocras. Tá ocras ora. Number 9. She is worried. Tá imní. Tá imní ora. Number 10 at last. She is patient. Now the noun used here may differ depending which dialect you're using. Tá fine or tá fide. Tá fide aici. How did you go? What was your score? Don't forget, if you need to revise the prepositional pronouns formed from eg and éis, you can check out my videos on those topics. Like many of you, I'm teaching myself. There's also one on le, and there will be more to come. Now for the 5 bonus exercises if you found those first 10 too easy. These examples have 2 parts and 2 uses of prepositional pronouns. 1. I know that he looks well. Remember 2 prepositional pronouns used here. Tais gaeilge cuma wa. Tais agam gaeilge cuma wa éis. Number 2. She hopes that you don't have a cold. Tá súil nach bhfuil sláideán. Tá súil aici nach bhfuil sláideán ort. 3. He is sorry that you are angry. Tá brón go bhfuil farg. Tá brón éis go bhfuil farg ort. I overrolled my R a bit there. Number 4. You know that you are not right. Táis nach bhfuil an ceart. Táis agat nach bhfuil an ceart agat. And at last, number 5. I am worried that you don't have money. Tá imní nach bhfuil airgid. Tá imní orm nach bhfuil airgid agat. If any of these had you stumped, why not go back and try them again? The more we hear these expressions, the more automatic they become when we speak and when we're listening. I'm not a native speaker, I'm a learner, so do seek out good native speakers for pronunciation. Please tell me in the comments about your experiences with prepositional pronouns. Which do you find hardest to remember when trying to speak? Which ones do you mix up? If this has been useful to you, please consider subscribing.